Okay, welcome back. Also, this term, it was offered last term, and some students liked it, so the deans will be offering it again this term. So it's basically a live lecture that happens Wednesdays from 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link is located down below. It would be the same link for each week. It's Dr. Mark Hobson. He's the Senior Associate Dean of Business here, and he does a 1 hour lecture and also allows for, a Q&A. There'll also be some handouts. This will be recorded each week and will be available to you. This is not a mandatory attendance, so it will not affect your grade. This is optional if you prefer to have a traditional type lecture, and also if you need some additional help, that's also available. So the link is down below. Once we get the handouts each week, I'll post those for you. And then once the online recording lecture is completed, I'll also post that where you can take a look if you weren't able to attend. Again, it doesn't affect your grade, it's all optional, but it definitely could help you with some of the understandings as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great week.